Hi guys, today I'm going to show you 3 steps how to use compressors. Let's do this. Well, let's start with the punchy one, because always people tend to use punchy compressor on drums, vocals. Whenever you want to use it, you can use it. So let's start with the punchy one. This drum, I choose this loop, funky drum. Also Logic compressor. Voila. Use the vintage opto. I love it. I use it almost on everything. For this one I choose ratio. I put 4x1. Threshold is on 23. This on taste purpose is my taste. You can change it, you can do whatever you want. But this is for me. For this one I choose to have it like this, without the compressor. Now, with compressor. Little bit less. I think 20 is okay. That's it. That's for your punchy. Yeah, punchy. This is hard compression whenever you need to take those hard peaks away. Hard compression and make everything. Let's do this. Without. With and hard. Sounds easy, but it's not easy. Okay? Practice every day. Still not easy. This is my favorite compressor too. The big child. Let's listen without, and then I'm gonna put the compressor on. Let's do this. And now with the compressor. The warmth, the subtle. It does do it, the work. Yeah? Let's listen. So that's it guys. 3 ways to use your compressor on drums, loops and everything. Stay tuned. We will be back with more. Big music.